So guys, in case you don't know, Shaccarri Richardson is back and Shaccarri is not here to play. The reason why I said so is because she has been beating a lot of top athletes like Shericha Jackson, athletes like Aleia Hobbs, a lot of main and top athletes. This girl has beaten them, okay, and I'm gonna share with you her reaction. Her reaction is gonna it's gonna shock you because nobody expected her to say this, okay. So if you know you're new to my YouTube channel, make sure to subscribe and also watch this video to the end. I'm gonna share with you what Shaccarri Richardson said. This girl is one of the most popular and top athlete in the whole world. I mean the whole world. She's the one of the most female popular, although she has never been in world championship and she has never been in Olympic. This year we are hoping that she's gonna qualify for the Olympics and world championship. Last year she was disqualified because she did not qualify with her times. Her times was very poor and her performance was not great. So this is what Shaccarri Richardson reacted. I am not just back, I am better. A lot of people saying I'm back, but me, I'm not just back, I'm better. I'm great now and the whole of US track is back. Let me know what you think.